Hey there, Sean Bailey, and I've got a special video for you here today. We're going to take a look inside a training that I've got available for you. Here's the sneak peek inside, and today I'm going to show you inside where we talk about creating lead magnets, in particular video lead magnets. I'm a big fan of videos, so in this one I'm going to walk you through kind of the process I use to create videos and use videos between linking on my website and on YouTube to generate traffic. So we'll take a look inside that video. Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 13. So today we're going to be talking about video lead magnets. Now, I've kind of talked about as far as video tools before. You heard me talk about Camtasia. Now, the other one, the Mac equivalent, is ScreenFlow. So either one of those are going to let you record and create videos and edit your videos. Now, once you've got your video done, you need to have some type of hosting option. The easiest and simplest way to go is going to be YouTube. Now, if you've got some type of video, this is like your primo content. You definitely don't want this getting out. You're going to be looking at Wistia or Vimeo for a more private option for your videos. People can watch them, but they can't download them. They can't, get your content. Whereas with YouTube, well, there's kind of certain ways around it, but for 90% of your stuff, YouTube's going to work just fine. So I'm going to show you as far as uploading and the different options once you've got your done video, how to upload to YouTube here. Now, below the video today for homework here, I'm going to include kind of a fast video guide that will give you the bare bones outline of what I do in order to create a video. And that should help you as far as your first, getting you started towards making your first video there. So let's jump over and take a look at YouTube and what to do as far as your different video options. Okay, so here we are over at YouTube. Once we're on here, all we want to do is just click onto the upload in the top right corner here. And then once we're at our upload screen for YouTube, all we need to do is just either drag and drop the video file into this window, or we can click here and then start browsing around and go locate it here. So what I like to do before I go and find my videos or do anything like that is control what privacy level we want to go through. So let's take a look at each one of those here. So public, if I have it set for public and I upload this video, anyone can watch this video, search this video, find this video. Anyone who's subscribed to my channel is going to get notified that this video is out there and they can go watch it. So if it's an unlisted video, now this is the option I use a lot of the time as well. So unlisted means that I can send someone a link to this video and they can watch it, or I can embed it into into my website there. But if someone tries to search for this video, they're not going to find it, right? It's unlisted. Make sense, right? So this is good for certain private videos that we kind of that we don't want people to really, to share around. Now, the next thing we've got is straight private videos. So this is way more locked down. You have to send specific people invitations to the video. It's way more locked down version compared to unlisted. And the next thing, last thing, is scheduled. So if you're doing a lot of videos and you've got a bunch done up and maybe you're producing a lot of content, then you can schedule videos for this one comes out later on today, the next one comes out tomorrow. So you can set up different scheduling as far as when your videos get published. But the options that you're going to deal with are going to be public and unlisted. And if you want to keep it, kind of private, then unlisted is going to be the way to go. And then once I've selected my level, like I said, we just browse to the video, click upload, and that is it. Once it's uploaded, we're going to have our link to the video, and that's what we will use as far as embedding, sharing, all that kind of stuff. So if we take a look at videos that I've uploaded here, so one of the nice things about videos is once we get the link to the video, if I I wanted to put a new blog post linking over to my video, all I would have to do is just click add new, go into my blog post here, and I don't even have to do anything other than copy and paste. All I do is just go down to the main body part here, and I want to click over to text. I'm going to click into the body part here, and then I want to paste in the link. And now it knows, so now you can see it's converted it straight over to video, and if I hit preview, I can see there'll be a link. It'll have this video already embedded in here. They can click and watch the video. They can click onto this link here and go over to YouTube and watch it. But you can see how easy it is to embed videos once you've got them on YouTube here. You really just need the link and you're good to go. So that's it. So your homework for today is to check out the link below for the video outline guide there. And if you see yourself, I don't see how you can get away with not making videos. It's just so easy. You know, you might feel a little bit of nervousness the first time you make your videos, but honestly, once you just kind of get over that, it gets super simple, and videos are great and easy to use. So check out the links below this video here, and I will see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and I've got special access for members only inside my funnel school. You can get in 100% free for limited time only, because members get not only this video that you just watched, I've also got my video lead magnet guide, a free PDF that you can go inside here, and that's just one of the special bonuses that are inside each day inside funnel school here. So go ahead and click on the link below the video to get access, or go to seanbailey.com/funnel school special, and you can get inside while it's still available for free. I'll see you inside.